In a world where handheld gaming consoles are becoming increasingly powerful, the Asus ROG Ally X is here to shake things up. Today, we're diving deep into this beast of a machine, and trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Today, we're talking about a gaming handheld that's got everyone buzzing, the Asus ROG Ally X. Is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the specs because, wow, Asus has packed a lot into this device. The ROG Ally X measures 11 by 4.4 by 1.5 inches and weighs just 1.49 pounds, making it surprisingly portable for the power it packs. Under the hood, we've got the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme CPU paired with AMD Radeon graphics. This combo delivers some serious horsepower, allowing you to play AAA titles smoothly. Whether you're a fan of fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this handheld can handle it. And it doesn't stop there. The ROG Ally X comes with 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring that multitasking and demanding games run without a hitch. Plus, with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4x4 SSD, you've got ample storage space for your entire gaming library, with lightning-fast load times to boot. And if that's not enough, there's always the microSD card slot for even more storage. Now, let's talk about the display. The ROG Ally X features a 7-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're battling it out in competitive games or enjoying the latest open-world adventure, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and incredibly smooth. Connectivity is key for any gaming device, and the ROG Ally X doesn't disappoint. You've got a USB 4 Type-C port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a microSD card reader. Need to connect your favorite peripherals or external displays? You're covered. And for wireless connectivity, the ROG Ally X supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. So whether you're gaming online or syncing up with Bluetooth devices, everything runs smoothly. So, how does it all come together in real-world performance? The short answer, incredibly well. The Ryzen Z1 Extreme, combined with the Radeon graphics, delivers a gaming experience that's on par with some of the best gaming laptops out there. And thanks to that 120Hz display, games feel more responsive and fluid, giving you a competitive edge, especially in fast-paced titles. Now, let's talk about the price. At $800, the ROG Ally X isn't cheap, but for what you're getting, a portable, powerful, and versatile gaming device, it's a compelling option. Whether you're a hardcore gamer looking for something to game on the go, or someone who just loves tech, this device offers tremendous value. So, there you have it, the Asus ROG Ally X. It's powerful, portable, and packed with features that make it a standout in the handheld gaming market. But what do you think? Is the ROG Ally X worth the investment, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gamers, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.